Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Disneyland tickets online. So to be able to skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go and purchase the tickets online using the first link you can see right here down in the description. So once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this page right here from where we can get started purchasing the Disneyland tickets. So these tickets are going to enable us to skip all the annoying lines. So what we can do once you've opened up the link in the description, it's going to take you to this page right here. It doesn't matter if you're on your mobile phone or on your PC, it's going to go ahead and work the same. So we're going to click the check availability button right here. So this is going to enable us to take a look at all the dates that are available for us to go ahead and purchase the tickets for. Let's say we want to purchase tickets for the 6th right here. It's going to show us all the available tickets and what kind of experience we want to select. So let's go and select one of them, and it's going to enable us to go and select how many tickets we want. So you have the adult tickets right here as well as the child tickets, and once you've selected your tickets, you can click the next page right here. So this is going to take us to this page right here where we can get started purchasing additional tickets for similar cruises or trips if you wish to go ahead and save money. I'm going to click no thanks and just go ahead and take us to the next page to fill out our personal details. This is going to enable us to select and fill out our personal details, and once you have done so, you're going to click the next button that's going to take you to the payment page, and from here we can get started selecting our payment methods. So you're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal, whichever you prefer. You can select right here, and once you open it up, you can get started with filling out all the info to get started with filling out the payment method and get started with selecting your payment. So there you have it. Check the description for the link and get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.